Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to unbox this. So this is the Lamborghini Gallardo LP 564, and this is by Hotwheels, and this is from their movie series Fast and the Furious. This is specifically from Fast and Furious 6. So let's open and see how it looks. Okay, here it is. The white looks really great. So here is a closer look of it. I personally love the white color on this Gallardo. So the lights are painted as usual, and the paint job is the rims looks really nice in this one. So it's a bit different than the other models where Hot Wheels normally puts out. So the detailings are really nice. So my only concern is so hope they actually had some kind of fiber for the headlights, and at least for the headlights, even if it is not the tail lights. So the engine detailings are actually great in this one for the price range and for the size. So these windows are actually tinted, so I can't able to show you the interior that clearly as well as I can see. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe, and consider subscribing. So that would be great help to me to put out a lot more great content like this. So it's up to you guys. So consider subscribing anyways. And as usual, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.